hand inside of you. The head belt. Dang, it's huge.
Is she?
Yeah.
What does she look like? Why is she not coming?
She's moving, she's alright. We're still pulling her out.
Push them about.
She's really in there.
Yeah, take over here. Those shoulders are also.
God, she's fat.
She's
Yeah. She's moving.
Is she out?
Yep, she's out.
Here.
I see little purple feet.
She's fat. Does she have hair?
A little bit. Here.
Yeah.
We'll wait to clamp the cord for just a minute. So.
Yep. Oh crap, I never pushed the button.
Oh, you probably.
I did.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Her feet are all curled up.
Where is she?
Laying on you right now. Laying on your legs.
Is she?
Yep.
I want to see. Yeah.
Ooh.
No, it's not nice, is it? Actually, there
She
you
don't
go.
like that.
No, I know. So
It's
look-
okay.
You want a trim cord?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Take that.
Okay.
If you cut just that yellow.
Right here?
Yep, and it's real tough and chewy. Yep, there you go. I can take those.
Thank you. Uh-oh, she got some blood on her face.
What did you do?
Oh.
You're pooping at me too. I see that. Huh? What happened?
Okay. Some oil poop.
Yeah, that sticky,
Yeah.
sticky,
I
nasty
remember
stuff.
that, yeah.